Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we've got a topic that's all about expressing your feelings in a more thoughtful and meaningful way. We often default to saying things like beautiful or I like you, but there are better ways to convey your emotions that can make a real difference in your relationships. But before we dive into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an insightful video from us. Let's get started. The problem with beautiful and I like you. First, let's talk about why simply saying beautiful or I like you might not be the best way to express your feelings. While these phrases are nice, they can sometimes come across as generic and lack depth. Plus, they don't always convey the depth of your emotions. Saying beautiful or I like you can be a great start, but it often leaves the person on the receiving end wondering what you truly mean. It can feel superficial and may not create the emotional connection you're looking for. The importance of specificity. Now, let's talk about the importance of specificity when expressing your feelings. Instead of using generic phrases, try being more specific about what you appreciate or like about the person. For example, instead of saying, "You look beautiful," you could say, "I love the way your smile lights up a room." Specific compliments show that you've paid attention and genuinely appreciate something unique about the person. Active listening and meaningful conversations. Another way to show your feelings is by actively listening during conversations and showing a genuine interest in the other person's life. Engaging in meaningful conversations allows you to connect on a deeper level. It's not just about what you say, but also how you listen and respond to what the other person is saying. Actions speak louder than words. Sometimes, actions can convey your feelings more effectively than words ever could. Small, thoughtful gestures can go a long way in showing someone you care, whether it's making them a cup of their favorite tea, helping with a task, or simply being there when they need you. Actions can speak volumes. Vulnerability and emotional honesty. Finally, don't be afraid to be vulnerable and emotionally honest. If you're genuinely feeling something, express it. Sharing your true emotions, fears, and desires can create a strong emotional connection. Being open and honest about your feelings can deepen your connection and help the other person understand you better. So, there you have it, folks. While saying beautiful or I like you isn't inherently wrong, there are more meaningful ways to express your feelings. Remember the power of specificity, active listening, meaningful actions, and emotional honesty. These can truly make a difference in your relationships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite way to express your feelings? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep spreading the love.